In this module, we are going to talk about anti capitalism. The golden age of capitalism was ended in the 1970s. The birth of anti capitalism contributed to extreme criticism on capitalist practices that promoted global inequality. Anti capitalism aims to replace capitalism with another type of economic activity. Here are the motives: increased economic inequality in many countries. Global wealth is divided into two parts. Half wealth is possessed by the richest 1% only, and other half to the remaining 99%, which belongs to the poor part of the world and the middle class. Governments serve the interests of economic elites at the cost of common masses. Political institutions become undermined. Now, question arises is that why usually government support the rich elite of the society? Because when the ruling elite comes in government or start ruling, he, she, himself or herself become at that stage when considered in the ruling and the rich elite. Therefore, it seems like that owing to approaching to that level, that elite start thinking more about the rich elite and support it. Look at this slide. It shows that how capitalist system is really eating out the proletariat class that belongs to labor and workers. More motives are there regarding overwhelming poverty, ill gotten wealth, social instability, concentration of income and wealth in the core countries, social, political, and economic inequalities. All these motives of capitalism are creating a lacuna between haves and have nots at global level. So, what are the demands of anti capitalists? Ensuring sustainable and equitable economic growth, regulations, open governments, promoting participatory democracy, accountability, social inclusions, capital taxation, no tax havens. If you just concentrate on this thing, promoting participatory democracy, accountability, social inclusions, all these attributes are basically belonging to the participation of individuals in political decision making. So, look at this slide that is showing how this capitalist system is working and depriving the poor and other middle classes through tax cut and then universal healthcare issues and how their education system is becoming expensive day by day. Demands of anti capitalists: equality of opportunity, gender equality, no economic discrimination on the basis of ethnicity, social mobility, universal health care, education, and social protection through tax revenues. Although, if you take any admission in any part of the world, they usually write in their prospectus that they don't differentiate people or discriminate people on the basis of caste, creed, or status, or on the basis of color, whatever, or race. But we know that ethnically, those rich societies are very much divided and really deprive the developing world for their basic rights.